I've never stepped out of my house like this. I've never lived alone in a different city. So I don't, my social skills aren't the best either. So I wouldn't know how to survive. मैंने चलाई बाइक, मैंने बेफिक्री के लिए सीखी थी और मैं रणवीर सिंह को अपनी बाइक के पीछे बिठाकर I used to take him for rounds. I just recently read that he's getting into direction and all, and I think he'll make a fabulous director because fan की screening थी, and I saw Shah Rukh Khan looking at me, so we had this eye contact.
Yes.
And then I was like, does he know me?
सर आपकी गाड़ी ऑन डिमांड परफॉर्मेंस के लिए रेडी है।
क्या आप लोगों ने कभी सोचा है कि हमारे जो फेवरेट स्टार्स हैं उनकी ये वैनिटी वैन्स की दुनिया और जिंदगी कितनी लंबी होती है? भाई बहुत टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं इसके अंदर। तो मैंने सोचा आज बॉम्बे जर्नी इसके अंदर करने की कोशिश करें क्या? कम इन की आवाज सुनाई दे गई है अंदर से। Did you say come in or did I not hear that right?
Come in.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
So good to see you.
So good to see you.
Oh, hi, your camera.
Say hi.
Hi, everybody.
We thought we'll do it inside here. Can we?
तो बॉम्बे जर्नी हम वैन में कर रहे हैं। दर्शन हम वैन में करेंगे।
नहीं, हम गाड़ी में करते हैं।
हाँ यार।
लेकिन इसके लिए प्लान करेंगे। अगर आप लोग 1000 कमेंट करके बोलोगे कि हाँ एक बार वैनिटी वैन में भी कर दो हिलते डुलते तो करेंगे। हाय वानी।
Fabulous. Hi.
वेलकम टू द बॉम्बे जर्नी। क्या हाल है आपके?
Thank you. Good यार, it's गर्म है सब अभी।
ये नहीं मतलब देखिए डुअल जोन क्लाइमेट कंट्रोल है अपने पास, तो मैंने आपका 18 पे सेट कर दिया, मेरा 22 पे। अगर जरूरत लगी तो आप चेंज कर लीजिएगा। द शो इज प्रेजेंटेड बाय द बोल्ड न्यू Hyundai Alcazar, इंटेलिजेंट, वर्सटाइल, इंटेंस एंड आवर परफॉर्मेंस पार्टनर कैस्ट्रॉल एज। मैं अपने पार्टनर्स को थैंक करना बड़ा सही समझता हूँ क्योंकि हमारे वही हैं सब, और ऑडियंसेस आप लोग को नमन करके ही बोलता हूँ। हम दोनों 2 सेकंड की चुप्पी मेंटेन करेंगे, आप लाइक कर दें वीडियो को।
2 सेकंड हो गए
ना? आपने लाइक नहीं किया? वानी क्या हाल है?
क्या हाल है सिद्धार्थ? You tell me.
यार देखो हम लोग पहले मिल चुके 2 मिनट के लिए ताकि वाइब चेक हो जाए।
वाइब हमारी काफी ऑन पॉइंट थी।
क्या ये नॉर्थ इंडियंस ऐसा कर लेते हैं कि भाई जहाँ जाते हैं वहाँ पे अपने ढूंढ लेते हैं?
आई थिंक मैं नॉर्थ इंडियन हूँ और मैं दिल्ली से हूँ और दिल्ली के लोग बहुत ही दिलदार होते हैं एंड आई जेन्युइनली मीन इट बिकॉज़ एनी टाइम आई सी अ पंजाबी दे ऑल जस्ट लाइक ओए झप्पी एंड लाइक यू नो इट्स जस्ट द एक्साइटमेंट एंड द थ्रिल ऑफ जस्ट मीटिंग एंड बीइंग एबल टू वी आर एक्चुअली वेरी हॉस्पिटेबल and we are very loving, giving. At least my family has been like that, and my father is a big dildar. Like he's like, खुद की जेब में पैसे हो ना हो, किसी और के लिए कुछ कर सके तो definitely you should. So I think I come from that school of thought that just spreading love, giving love, making someone feel, you know, happy and special, making somebody else's day, it's good.
अब बाइकें चलाया करती?
मैंने चलाई बाइक, मैंने बेफिक्री के लिए सीखी थी और मैं रणवीर सिंह को अपनी बाइक के पीछे बिठाकर इन द vicinity of YRF का studio I used to take him for rounds. I've done that.
The show was born inside the studio, like right out. We picked up Saif Ali Khan 5 years ago.
Oh damn! I love listening to podcasts. I've seen Bombay Journey so many times. I saw the one that you did with Rashi. I saw so many others, and
इसके मैंने पैसे नहीं दिए।
पॉडकास्ट सुनती हूँ, मुझे पॉडकास्ट बहुत पसंद है।
राशि और आपकी दोस्ती भी बड़ी प्रचलित है, नहीं?
हम it's almost like we've known each other over a decade something, like when we were babies, not babies, practically babies, but we were so naive and fairly young and new and lost in the city, and I think the first time we met was तो हम डब के ऑडिशन पे मिले जहाँ my mother submitted my pictures and I had braces and I was pleasantly plump and I had no confidence कि I can ever crack even that.
आप में कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था, ये कहाँ से ला रही हो फिर?
मेरे में कोई, I think confidence is also like a muscle that you keep working on and eventually you develop. And what happens with confidence is if you're comfortable in your surrounding, तो इतने लोगों से जब आप बार-बार मिलते हो एक comfort level develop हो जाता है and then you start in comfort, then you feel yourself, no? Then you're self-assured. Then you know I can be myself. So that happens over time with experience and that happens a lot for actors when they get love from the audience.
Exactly.
Because now they know they're doing something right.
Exactly.
And that's the biggest confidence boost an actor can get, yeah.
तो राशि से आप इन वाली एड में मिली, क्या आप दोनों सिलेक्ट हुई? नहीं हुई?
हम दोनों सिलेक्ट हो गए थे और so we both got selected and my mother became friends with her first And then she's like,
क्या बात है?
हाँ तो मैं वो हमेशा मेरी दोस्ती बाद में होती है, मेरी माँ पहले दोस्ती कर लेती है उनसे, because she's a very social person.
नमस्कार,
My mother deserves to be in TV shows or films because she's the one who's like, you know, the
Flamboyance.
yeah, the flamboyance and the boldness and she's an army kid, so she's had more exposure. She's seen a different life. She is the reason why I can do whatever that I can, be it dancing, be it having the confidence to stand on stage, perform, do anything, because it all comes from her.
यार
And
हमारी
because-
माँओं को नमन.
है ना? It's all because of her, because had it not been for her, my father was a very loving man, but he was too overprotective. Like he was,
Like जैसे strict थे काफी.
he was strict in a way where he didn't like beat us or anything, or he didn't yell at us, but it was very like no means no. You know, it's a very stern no. My mother has a lot of उनको बहुत चीज़ों का चस्का है, like, you know, passion for like dress well, look good, wear lovely things, or speak like this, be eloquent, be proper, I think it's that army background lineage that's
आप लोगों को प्रो टिप दे देता हूँ quickly to stay ahead in life. इन्होंने एक बहुत अच्छी बात बोली जो मेरे पापा भी बोलते हैं, of course दादाजी बोलते थे, दादाजी Air Force.
Yeah, oh lovely.
So it does come into the fam, as like you said, well dressed is equal to well dressed.
That's
always freaking lands.
yeah.
Brilliant advice.
How cool.
Yeah. Go to an interview, go to multiple interviews, but be the best you've dressed
Yeah.
and be sharp. Like वो
Yeah.
हर दिन शेव करने वाले व्यक्ति थे भाई.
Oh, lovely.
हाँ.
It also speaks volumes of how seriously you're taking your job or yourself in life.
Yeah.
I think, you know, and your mental state can be depicted from the way you are dressed. What your
Exactly.
thoughts, your feelings, your personality, everything is correlated. It's not just fashion. It's about
Yeah.
how you see yourself or how you conduct yourself and how you. Yeah. No, but I think as a Delhi girl, girls are very used to getting wooed in Delhi. Men treat you with chivalry, with respect, with, you know, I'll come, I'll pick you up from your house, I'll drop you at the right time. So, you know, I've seen that thing. Cut to Bombay, Mumbai. मैं ना princess है. I'm sorry, but Sama.
No, but like you go यार.
Or maybe it's the industry effect.
उसको बेचारे को बोरीवली जाना है, आपको बांद्रा जाना है तो जाएंगे ना बोरीवली, आप बांद्रा जाओ.
तो वो थोड़ा एटीट्यूड शिफ्ट है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग ये
Culture
सही
shock है
है,
आप लोगों के लिए.
मैं ये नहीं कह रही ये सही है वो गलत है, पर आई हैव हैड अ सर्टेन वे ऑफ बीइंग.
आप जनाबियत यहाँ तुम है.
हाँ तो हाँ मुझे जब यहाँ तुम भी और तू भी है कभी कभी
भी है, हाँ, सीधा.
इवन व्हेन माय को-एक्टर्स इन अरे तू ये आई विल बी लाइक क्या तू लाइक वी डोंट नो. नाउ आई एम ओके विद इट बिकॉज़ नाउ वी
Yeah.
you know, spent enough time with each other and we've worked on something and now we've developed that bond. When initially somebody says na tu, I'll be like tu, we're not that close.
But coming to the next segment that we have called versatile moments, ये जब आप ऐसा रोल कर रही हो कि
कैसा?
आपको मतलब you know बेफिक्रे शायरा, तो इसकी प्रिपरेशन कैसी होती है? Like how you getting into that versatility?
I actually used to watch a lot of French films, you know. I made a friend in Paris. जब मैं वहाँ पे जब ये लोग रेकी के लिए गए थे, there was this girl and she and her boyfriend and they both were, she was an actor and I think we just became very thick good friends and she used to take me around and take me to local parties and cafes, so I was just like what a life. So I think बस वो local, just the life and the way she was and her friends were and just the body language. And in fact she used to tell me, she's like, a lot of people might just think that French girls are all daring and sexy and this and
भाई
that and
perception भी तो है.
outspoken, but she was so similar to me, it was insane, which is why we
Could have become friends, yeah, possibly.
we became very good friends. She in fact named her daughter, she gave her daughter an Indian name, Leela.
Hey.
Yeah, that was very cute.
Hi to your friend and hi to Leela.
And she came and she visited me when I was shooting for Ghungru song in Positano. She came, yeah. So,
Speaking of versatile moves, Ghungru is a viral.
Yes, I got lucky with that one.
How do you move your legs like that?
Me? You
The boys did, and then you joined them also.
Yeah, I think I was very nervous. Just the very idea of me having to dance with Hrithik in the same frame, and I could preempt how people are going to react to it and be like, why is she in the frame?
Hey,
you only want to see Hrithik.
You're kicking.
You only
boss.
want to see him, and you know, like this whole the whole craze that is around him, and rightly so.
No, your entry is like.
मैं बहुत मेहनत करी थी.
Boss,
Genuinely
is
बहुत
it-
मेहनत. Thank
No,
you.
kick it like up top, girl.
Thank you.
प्लीज आप लोग को भी इतना ही पसंद है तो इनको हाई फाई डाल दो नीचे. घुंगरू हाई फाई इतना ही लिख देना बस खाली.
Yeah, I'll be you'll make my heart happy.
It's a versatile performance. It is truly up there.
Thank you.
No, but preparation बताओ.
हाँ वो sire wheel, swing pole. I had lost a toenail for it. उसकी practice में 3-4 घंटे.
Toenail कौन सा वाला is important?
This one. I got a what is the thing he called when it's not a fracture but it's the plantis fascia. The plantis fascia.
Please जितने
I don't know if my terminology might be
expert opinion से हमारे comments में बताइए.
plantis fascia, something like that. I'm not very sure. Something the doctor had said. I had that also while training. But I used to give diligently 3 to 4 hours a day and then hit the gym after that because I had to also don in a
Muscular figure.
Yeah, like in a certain attire and everything, and I had to like wear short clothes and stuff in it. But I swear, because I think I get really like hectic about something. Like I'm like I have to ensure I'm
perfectionist.
My best. Yes, I in my head, whatever my potential is or my ability is, I try to outdo it. I may not be as great as somebody else, but in my life and in my own way, I try to give it my all.
तमिल आती है आपको? आपने तमिल भी फिल्म
मैंने आहा कल्याणम करी थी पर मैंने रट्टे मारे थे लाइंस को. अब मुझे याद नहीं, बहुत साल हो गए हैं. पर पहले मैं लिखती थी, नोट्स बनाती थी तमिल के, और मैंने तेलुगु में भी किया है.
हाँ ना?
Yeah, so I used to do that one scene in Telugu, then one scene in Tamil, then Telugu, then Tamil. And because वो बैंड बाजा बारात का रीमेक था, उसमें लड़की की बहुत सारी लाइंस थी. ऐसा नहीं था कि आप अच्छे लगो और इधर उधर देखो और गाना गाओ और खत्म.
एंटरप्रेन्योर है वो लड़की, वो मतलब अपना.
Yeah, and there were a lot of lines. So when I was going through my lines, I was like, रोज इतनी सीखूं बैठकर, and दो अलग-अलग different languages में. But it was a challenge, but I'm happy I could pull that off.
But वो आपकी पहली 2-3 पिक्चरों में से थी नहीं?
Second movie थी मेरी. पहली शुद्ध देसी रोमांस.
Yes.
फिर ये आहा कल्याणम, and then Faith Victory.
शुद्ध देसी कैसे हुई थी?
शुद्ध देसी अगेन मैं मॉडलिंग कर रही थी, शानू से मिली थी बिकॉज एलीट ने लेकर गए थे हमें. काफी सारी मॉडल्स थी, वो शॉर्ट लिस्टेड.
ठीक है.
So we all met Shanu at the same time, around the same time. There were other girls also from other modeling agencies or whoever got shortlisted for that meeting. And we were all together sitting in Shanu's living room. I'm meeting Shanu for the first time, and I remember she asking everybody something or the other about sussing the vibe again. And I remember she asking me about something, some general knowledge question. And luckily I love geopolitics and I like having awareness. So I was good at it, and I think she happened to like my personality. She happened to like my vibe, my energy. She quickly asked if I can dance. And just out of nowhere, I just started dancing on Bollywood songs for her. I remember she made me dance on Dance Pe Chance, and was there a Band Baja Barat song? There's a couple of songs. So I kept dancing, and then I'm like, Shanu, I have to leave. I have a flight to catch. And then I was sitting in the flight.
Wow, you're giving Shanu Sharma and Diva.
No, but I honestly, मुझे लगा कुछ होगा नहीं, क्योंकि
you're like, चल.
मेरा कौन है यहाँ पे? मैं तो, I'm an outsider. I have I have nobody, and it's Yash Films. They'll either take stars or they'll take whoever, is who they think is the potential next person. How do I say this?
मतलब like 70.
I had no connect with anybody. So I didn't take it so seriously that day. But when she said, okay, come back, we are serious, I'll test you properly. But because we as a agent, we as a studio, we need auditions. We don't take कि आपका एक डांस देख लिया, चलो शक्ल ठीक लग रही है, चलो साइन अप कर लेते हैं. She said, you need to give more than one audition, and the director has to be happy and okay. Otherwise, I can't guarantee you'll get a film.
Yeah.
So I said, so she said, what the best we can do is we can send you a ticket. Because I told her very honestly, Shanu, you know what, I've never stepped out of my house like this. I've never lived alone in a different city. And honestly, I don't know anything about this industry.
Yeah.
I'm not even my social skills aren't the best either. So I wouldn't know how to survive. And she was very sweet. She said, you know what, I'll be like a sister to you. You want to come stay over at mine, you can come. I can help you with the hotels. I can help you which areas are safe, which areas not.
That's so kind.
She was very kind, and they also sent me a ticket, which I knew, okay, they're being serious about it. This is no bullshit.
Yeah.
that's when I took it seriously. And she was very kind enough to speak to my parents, and my parents were happy that it's a woman
वही yes, correct.
casting agent.
वो बढ़िया
वो
सांत्वना मिलती है.
हाँ, वो मेरे I think मेरे parents के लिए बहुत comfort था that it's a woman.
Yeah.
And I think she took care of me. Yeah. And then I still didn't have the courage to come alone, which is when I asked Rashi कि यार I'm तो going for auditions. I don't know where I'll head. Do you also want to do? Because she was modeling with me and we were friends. And I said, do you? She also.
और तब तक राशि को एक्टिंग करनी है, एक्टर बनना है वाली बातें दिमाग में आई थी.
I think उसको उस टाइम पे ये था कि ट्राई करके देख सकती हूँ.
तो
हो गया तो हो गया.
तो आप लोग सोचिए दिल्ली में बैठी हुई हमारी दो आज की गदर कलाकार और ये ऐसे सोच रहे कि वह देख ही जाएगी, तुक्का है. बट इट्स रियलिटी ना, मतलब अब करते हो खान मार्केट जाते हो और
हाँ खान मार्केट दिल्ली, वहाँ पे मैं बहुत घूमी हूँ. नॉर्थ दिल्ली से डायरेक्टली खान.
तो तब तो मेट्रो नहीं होने का, तो कैसे जाने का?
कार थी. वी वर माय फादर एंड always ensured कि चल यार, you know, like girls in Delhi is not, has had a reputation of not being the safest in the past. But yeah, so we had to travel in the car.
नहीं हम अब आपको हम हमारी स्टे हेड सेगमेंट करते हैं आपके साथ अभी. प्रेजेंटेड बाय कैस्ट्रोल एज. ये बताओ रोड ट्रिप पे कहाँ जाती थी, किसके साथ जाती थी?
मैं रोड ट्रिप्स का मुझे
नहीं हो ऐसी. फिर गेडी रूट मुंबई का
मतलब मुझे आप कोई ड्राइव कर रहे हैं तो मैं बैठ जाऊंगी और गाने सुन लूंगी and I can zone out because I like to just sit next to the driver's seat.
Yeah.
Listen to music and zone out. I don't want to have conversations. I just want to hear music and be with my thoughts. Have my moments of solitude.
Not even with Rashi. आप दोनों नहीं निकल रही कहीं के लिए?
नहीं किया. Actually, I've gone visited her in Hyderabad and she's driven me around most wide roads and highways and everything. But like yeah, so. Beautiful roads and lovely city. I like Hyderabad.
Hyderabad गदर है ना?
हाँ बहुत अच्छा है. I really like it.
इसलिए तो
so sweet.
पढ़ लेता हूँ.
पर हाँ वो लेकर जाती थी तो वो I was in charge of the playlist.
Are you
She
good?
just had to drive me around.
Are you good with the playlist?
It depends, not subjective. My good might not be your good. It's so subjective music taste.
ये जब लोग बोलते हैं तब उनकी ज्यादा प्रेज नहीं हुई हो सकती है. ऐसा है क्या?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है.
फिर तो क्यों आप अपने आप को अंडरसेल कर रही हो?
नहीं मैं अंडरसेल नहीं कर रही. I'm just being a realist. Because
हमें
it's very subjective.
ना पसंद आए.
हाँ because yeah I mean I think my like there are a lot of people who take music from me. I take a lot of music from a lot of people.
You're good यार. You should aim it यार.
Okay.
बस क्या बच्ची. ये बताओ कौन सी है पहली गाड़ी, क्या कहानी है उसकी?
मेरी पहली गाड़ी थी शुद्धेसी की, बाद मैंने अपने पैसों से ली थी. और शुद्धेसी के भी 2-3 साल बाद like बेफिक्रे के close like when we started to shoot for बेफिक्रे which was like around 2 years gap or something. उसके बाद ली थी मैंने with the money that kind of came from my first film and the second film and बीच में छोटे छोटे इवेंट्स करके.
तो अब फिर उसके ऊपर फिर नेक्स्ट कार लाइक डिड यू गो एसयूवी, फिर आगे एवोल्यूशन क्या हुआ?
नहीं सेडान है बट दैट्स आल्सो इट्स नॉट लाइक समथिंग कि
दैट्स आल्सो
पैसे आए गाड़ी खरीद लो. नहीं गाड़ी खरीद लो. I have a very simple life. I live a very normal life. कोई इतना एक्सेस पैसा नहीं है. मैंने बहुत कम फिल्में करी हैं और मुझे सब बोलते, मेरे को एक्टर्स ने बोले तुझे पैसे नहीं कमाने, लाइक व्हाई आर यू नॉट वर्किंग, व्हाई आरंट यू साइनिंग. So I'll be like, पर यार ये connect नहीं कर पा रही यार. Like how do I do this? Like I'm not feeling it. I won't be good because if I'm not convinced, how do I convince anybody else?
But ये साल आपका 2-3 आइटम आ रहा है.
हाँ आ रहा है. So I think I got lucky. Last year was very busy for me.
No, Sai was telling me great stuff about Mandla murders.
Yes, really.
Ooh, I can't tell anything anymore because
yeah.
I haven't signed a contract, but the dosti ka contract that you signed.
I know. I'm hoping. Yeah, Mandla is very new for me, very different for me. और एक सर्वगुण संपन्न है.
सर्वगुण संपन्न है.
सर्वगुण संपन्न है और
वो भी इस साल है.
बदतमीज गिल है.
बदतमीज गिल. ये सब इस साल है.
I don't know about बदतमीज गिल. Maybe by the end of this year, I think.
Yes.
And Sargun also, there's no release date yet, so I'm not sure when it's coming out, but hopefully by the end of this year. I hope.
But Hrithik के साथ कुछ कर रहे हो?
I wish, but he's. I think I just recently read that he's becoming. He's getting into direction and all, and I think he'll make a fabulous director because he's so. There's so much precision and thought behind everything that he does as an actor.
Yeah.
I can only imagine how brilliant will he be when it and he knows everything. No, he knows about the edit, he knows about everything when it comes to having a lens and watching something you know, having an eye for detail.
अरे वो राकेश रोशन और रोशन परिवार
So,
के व्यक्ति हैं भाई.
Of course, he is
But
who he is.
ऋतिक
And-
भाई, here are my profiles.
But I feel Ritik's also a lot like me.
Yeah.
Shy, awkward, in the start, in the beginning. And then he just opens up, and then there's this goofy, fun side to him,
Oh, wow.
and he can be hilarious.
Never did I imagine that you will say this about like the
Rit-
Greek god that we know.
He's such a chiller. Like,
Yeah?
I've hung with him, and I think he's such a chiller, and he's normal, and he's just, yeah, he has a fun, goofy side, and I'm like, and it really pleasantly surprises you, and you're like,
है ना?
damn, I'm seeing him in his this element. It's great.
But what do you pick from them where when it comes to, you know, these artists, they know how to stay ahead. Like Hrithik has this familial learning that he could pass down. So any kind of like tips that he would give you, like this is how you stay ahead as an actor?
We've not discussed, like, I've not sat with him and been like, hey, how do I be better?
Yeah.
But it's observation. I
Yeah.
think it comes through observation, and I've really observed how passionate he is about everything, you know. He doesn't have any complacency. He has no bone of complacency in his body. I think he's very dedicated and focused.
That's
You
so
need to have that focus, and you need to have passion for it. Creativity की फील्ड में अगर आप पैसे कमाना चाहते हो, ये बेस्ट बिजनेस नहीं है. आप मत करो यहाँ पे. आप स्टॉक्स खरीदो. आपको अगर प्यार नहीं है अपनी यहाँ पे ना, वो I think you need a little bit of madness and cuckoo-ness to be good creatively.
Yeah. That reminds me, मैंने कल ही ना, I think My Name is Khan के दौरान शाहरुख खान साहब की एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री बन रही थी.
Yeah.
Living in the day of, you know, a day in the life of Shahrukh Khan. So that makes me think that man also knows how to stay ahead, because he's like, yaar, I always need to have emotions to say. I hope I've not given away all my emotions to film.
Yeah.
कि एक दिन मेरे पास बचे ही ना पिटारा.
ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. I mean, I think he's a brilliant man, and he's the wisest human I've seen of film
You
industry.
met him, chilled with him?
I have. I was awkward with him also. The first time I met him was for his movie screening. Fan ki screening thi.
Oish.
And I was invited by Manish, and that was the first time. And I saw Shah Rukh Khan looking at me, and I looked. So we had this eye contact.
Exchange. Yes.
And then I was like, does he even know me? I know him. Does he know me? Or am I just staring at him? Or maybe should I look away? And I just got terribly awkward. And Manish is like, go tell him how much you loved him in the film. Because I did tell Manish that prior to us having that eye contact. And I was like, but Manish, I don't think he knows me. I don't want to invade his space. I don't want to, cling on to him and be like, because you see so many people just there, and then they just keep standing, and so and I'd never want to cling on to somebody and be like, अच्छा, like,
But क्या बोली आप?
मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला उस दिन.
हैं?
मैंने बस मैं कुछ नहीं बोला, मैं चली गई.
आप हाय नहीं बोली?
नहीं. And then I told Manish that I hope, because I thought, and he got busy with so many people, I didn't want to intrude and, be like, hey, I exist, and hey, listen to me. And I don't know, it's just my own things in the head, like you get caught up in your own head and you overthink things. And, and then you're like, and I'm very awkward. And it's not just that it's Shah Rukh Khan. You make me meet anybody for the first time, I'll be awkward.
देखिए, हम लोग एडवांस्ड फुल सिंथेटिक इंजन ऑयल यूज करते हैं, which gives 80% improved high load performance, जो कि है कैस्ट्रॉल है. अगर आप लोग यूज करो तो दिस इज अ प्रो टिप फ्रॉम मी फॉर रोड्स लाइक ORR और मुंबई का कोस्टल रोड. दैट्स व्हाट आई वुड हैव अगर ये ट्रैफिक नहीं होता तो. बट वो मजा लगे ना यार, खाली रोड पे अपनी गाड़ी भगाने का. Stay in the limits, speed limits पे रहें. That's not the pro tip. The pro tip is how to keep your engine in these OG cars.
Yeah.
You're not that close to a car to do that ever. I would edit a doggy like doggo head.
Yeah, I've not gone that touchy, emotional with my car.
I think it's a boy thing. Also.
Yeah, maybe it's a boy. I don't know. No, it's not really a boy thing. I think Rashi loves cars, and my sister loves cars, and she's one of the finest drivers I know. Like, my sister drove me, my brother-in-law, and it was her. The three of us from Amsterdam to Paris overnight, middle of the night. Like, we were like, hey, Paris, let's do Paris. I want to see Disneyland. And this was right before I started. No, I didn't model. I was in college. I was like, I want to see Disneyland. I haven't seen it. So she's like, yeah, throw your bags in the car and I'll drive you down. So both of us we fell asleep and we woke up and we were in Paris.
Ooh.
My sister's very cool.
अपन आर्टिस्ट लोग के साथ किसी बॉलीवुड वाली पब्लिक के साथ रोड ट्रिप पे गई हो कभी?
शांत के साथ एक बार शुद्धेसी के टाइम गए थे हम, एक सिटी से दूसरी सिटी, जयपुर से जोधपुर ड्राइव करके आई थी. And we were singing songs and we were just, yeah.
What a glad memory to have of a human, no?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Nice.
यार ये बताओ कि एक फिल्म के बाद वाली स्ट्रगल क्या होती है? एक फिल्म हो गई, अब अगली फिल्म से पहले की स्ट्रगल क्या होती है एक आर्टिस्ट के लिए? आप हीरोइन हो अब,
डिपेंड करता है आपकी
Bonafide.
फिल्म ने कैसा किया है।
चलो फिल्म ने अच्छा कर लिया, शुद्ध देसी ने कैसा किया था?
अच्छा किया था, हिट।
तो फिर उसके बाद
उसके बाद मेरा स्ट्रगल था कि मैं अभी कुछ और नया कैसे करूं, क्योंकि शुद्ध देसी के बाद मुझे सिर्फ देसी लड़की का और सिमिलर लड़की का रोल आ रहा था।
हाँ जी हाँ,
बेफिक्रे के बाद मुझे सिर्फ बोल्ड और सेक्सी का वो आ रहा था ऑफर्स। सो आई वाज लाइक ये क्यों हो रहा है? अभी जो मैं एक चीज कर चुकी हूँ मैं दोबारा क्यों करूंगी, और वो भी इतने कम span of time.
या
So I think to break that barrier, because people see you and they consume you and they think consume the film and your character
Yeah.
as is, and they take you for it, that this is who she is
यही
in real
चाह,
life,
यही चाह।
कि ये ऐसी ही है, इसको ऐसे ही रोल में हम देख सकते हैं। So
बट शुद्ध देसी द गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर, नो?
yeah, but she hailed from a small town, outskirts of
Correct.
Jaipur, had a very different life story, had a different, and I like to pen down backstories of people, my characters, where they
Good.
come from and what their body language is. Or right before this scene, what must have happened for them to behave in a certain way.
वाह रे,
कि उनको
एकदम।
गुस्सा भी आता है तो किस लेवल का गुस्सा आ रहा होगा? आधे शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड, आधे पेशेंट एंड काम, एंड everybody's degree of and their temperaments varies,
And that's how all of us are so versatile, na? Because
Yeah, and
that's what makes us human.
yeah, I won't want to fight and cry or be in love the same way, in every film as every character. I would want to justify it to where they come from and what their life would have been.
Yeah.
Their traumas or their
Realities,
peaks.
yeah.
Their peaks and their reality, yeah.
फिर
So, where were we?
struggle,
Oh, really? See, that's why I don't do too many interviews. Because
क्योंकि
I'm
आप
like,
फैल जाती हो।
मैं फैल जाती हूँ।
ये भी तो मुंबई स्लैंग है।
मैं फैल जाती
क्या
हूँ।
फैल गए रे तुम?
मैं फैल जाती हूँ।
बट फिर
मैं
भी
जोन आउट भी हो जाती हूँ बहुत इजीली।
हाँ, मैं इसलिए वापस ले आ रहा हूँ। मैं भी सेम व्यक्ति हूँ। मेरा अवेयर हो गया।
That's why we vibed.
हाँ, बनता है।
Yeah.
तुम ये
क्या
बताओ ना,
बात कर रहे थे इससे पहले?
पहला स्ट्रगल, तो फिर वो
हाँ।
नेक्स्ट फिल्म के लिए आप साउथ चली।
तो मैं साउथ, वो भी यशराज स्टूडियोज की फिल्म थी, आहा कल्याणम,
हाँ,
और उस टाइम मेरा मन नहीं था करने का, पर
तो
मेरे
मना
में
की?
हिम्मत भी नहीं थी मना करने की।
सवाल, हाँ,
Because I was like, मुझे रीमेक नहीं करना for a film which is just come,
Yeah.
and it's a cult film which everybody's seen.
या,
But I never wanted to say no, because I felt like, you know what, I'll learn from it, I'll grow from it. Chal, I'll take it as a challenge. This is something that they believe I can pull off. Let me do it. And the girl's part is very interesting, so I can use it as to explore. यार मुझ में है क्या? Like, can I pull this off?
Yeah.
And can I pull off a character and performance in 2 different languages?
नहीं, और अनुष्का गदर काम की थी यार।
बहुत amazing थी. I think she's brilliant, and that film deserves all the love and accolades it got. People do say that you have to develop thick skin. I have not managed to fully develop it just yet,
या,
and perhaps I don't want to subconsciously, because I feel as an actor, if I can't feel everything that comes organically to me,
या,
and if I can't register and recognize कि यार मुझे इस समय ना ऐसा फील हुआ था
दुख तो
या
दुख
ये
है।
हुआ था,
करेक्ट।
एंड हाँ, तो आई फील कि मैं अपने आप को इतना डिटैच कर लूंगी तो मेरी तो फीलिंग ही मर जाएगी, then I'm not human anymore, things affect. But yes, now I meditate, I'm spiritual, I like reading books which give me more wisdom and clarity, and kind of block out all the noise from everything else that's happening around.
Perfect. तो आप जब पहली बार आई तो आप कहाँ रही?
अब अंधेरी,
किसके साथ?
राशि के साथ, 4 bungalows,
क्या बात
7
है?
bungalows. I haven't seen 4 bungalows, 7
और आपका
bungalows.
भाड़ा वीड़ा कितना होता?
I'll tell you, wait. 1 BHK था, apartment like size of a matchbox. We stayed in 1 BHK and it was 45 grand, 45 grand I think, 45-50 grand take.
That's not bad actually.
For a 1 BHK.
Oh क्या?
It's too expensive, I feel, for a 1 BHK.
It is very expensive.
In Delhi, you will get
but like you would have
3
gotten
BHK in
Andheri
45.
West. Andheri West का this thing. हाँ, of course. I mean, you'll get like a.
You're actually
golf
getting to stay in a
course.
pigeonhole, and you have to thank them for giving you that pigeonhole.
No, that's a lot. I mean,
For a lot of money.
why I said that's not bad. आप लोगों को गलत ना सूझे समझे
हाँ.
और आप मुझ पे कटाक्ष मारे उससे पहले मैं आपको बतला देता हूँ कि I said that because it's a lot of money for but you're like come at models.
We were models, na?
So you were making the money
And
also.
2 girls are splitting the bill in 2. So you were dividing the thing into. So 45 is what? 45-50 भी था तो 25-27,000 we used to
हाँ,
pay.
हाँ, but
तो
आप
वो
लोग-
उतना hurt नहीं करता था to our pocket.
कितना कमा लेते
But
हो आप?
I'll tell you one
हाँ.
thing, to save money, especially the initial first few months, because we couldn't take too many modeling assignments because we are running in and out of auditions.
Oh yeah.
And you know, films and film
Assignments,
meetings and
yeah.
everything and all of that, and money wasn't pouring in. So we would try to save money by eating happily. That time I mean, it didn't feel like hi hum kitne bechare hain, but we genuinely, it didn't even affect us. We were just happy living that life where we had 35 rupees ka dosa from Blue Park every morning for
Hey,
breakfast.
So cool.
So and because I had this amazing spicy chutney with it, and I used to love that sauce.
Is this the alum chutney, the orange one?
Yeah, some yummy spicy chutney they
It's
used
the
to give.
best.
And she was very good with hisab. It's a very good habit
Yes.
to inculcate, because money should never be a problem in friends, and it should never be a issue, and it should never be, you know, कि मैंने इतना सब किया and then
Correct.
you didn't do anything. Just be fair and square from the start. तो कहाँ पे खा रहे? कोई
Your
famous
mouth
है
is-
यहाँ
I
पर?
love. हाँ.
यहाँ पे क्या? जैकी
गंगौर।
भेलपुरी, गंगौर।
यार मेरे को राजकुमार राव, इनफैक्ट एक्चुअली पत्रा ने बताया था
कि यहाँ की का चाट अच्छा है?
भाई गदर है गदर।
Really?
पुचका अगर आप पूरा you can't take it in one go. I'm telling you, it's a challenge. पानी पूरी खाओ पहले आप लोग।
सब
क्या है
लग
भाई?
गए।
पुष्कर की
Really,
चाय
what are you
है।
having now?
Are you a chai human?
I'm a chai and coffee both.
पुष्कर की चाय है ये।
Actually, I'll tell you a quirk of mine. I can have several beverages at the same time.
हाँ, several. What?
Beverages at the same time. I can have tea, coffee, like some iced tea, some water, cola at times. I can just have all of that all together. Yeah, it's weird.
I'm judging you,
I know.
but I'm not. I'm also fascinated as hell.
I just like different, variety at the same time.
I get really scared.
Oh,
I'm able to drive like to the. Say hi to them.
cuties.
ताप्ती
ये
के साथ
काम-
किया था हमने
क्या?
और पूछा था भाई इन क्यूटीज से
हाँ,
कि कौन सी पिक्चर इनकी अच्छी लगती है आपको।
अरे पूछना नहीं, मेरे को नहीं आया।
कांचना 2 बोल दिया उन्होंने। आपको पता है
कांचना?
कांचना 2 की है उन्होंने
ये
कुछ।
कौन सी फिल्म?
ये कांचना है, फिर कांचना 2 है, एक हॉरर पिक्चर है जो साउथ में बड़ी पॉपुलर है उनकी।
हॉरर फिल्म थी।
हाँ,
अच्छा हाँ, of course she's done so much in South as well.
करेक्ट।
She's my senior, you know that, right?
यस आई नो
Yes.
सवाल
And we
बच्चे।
were in the same school bus.
भाई हम बढ़िया रिसर्च
And we were in the same dance club.
मैं बता रहा हूँ हम बढ़िया रिसर्च करके आते हैं। आपको क्यों लगा मैंने सटल एक दिया डब्बा?
पता नहीं। I just thought it was.
I'm getting you ventilated seats on. हम सोचते हैं, हम बड़ा अच्छे से सोचते हैं। But you had no interaction in school.
Me and Taapsee, no,
Yeah.
of course we had, but ऐसी कोई she was my senior. We weren't friends, no. I
हाँ.
had that senior respect for her कि मेरी senior है तो थोड़ी इज्जत, and और मैं इतनी quiet थी. Even in the school bus, I was one of those kids, you know, who likes to daydream and just look outside, listen to the music, wants no interruption, be in my own thoughts. She was more like a social girl. Like,
Out there.
Yeah, more like
Outspoken.
Yeah, outspoken. So we were just different, but yeah, I was very shy and awkward since the
But-
start. आप उससे पूछोगे तो आपसे भी यही है, स्कूल में बोलती नहीं थी, चुप रहती थी.
हाँ।
I was this very shy girl.
Since you're driving down memory lane, मुझे ये बताओ लास्ट टाइम आप कब फैन मतलब लाइक स्टारस्ट्रक थी?
मैं I admire, I get inspired, but I don't get struck. I don't, because it's the performances. And can I tell you something? Why perhaps I also don't try and indulge and become over friendly and over pally with people here in sometimes in the industry where I go August and start becoming yappy about things. A lot of times the illusion that I have in my head from the work that I've seen of theirs, I don't want that to break and have a crack once I witness them as real people. I like that illusion. I like that mystery. I like that
never
aura.
meet your stars type.
And I agree. And there's a reason why people say that, because it can really take away from, you start seeing that person only differently. If they don't behave nicely towards you, or if they just, it's perhaps their off day, or if they're not being their best, or if they have a certain.
Yes, I know what you mean. I know what you mean.
I don't want to be disheartened. So I'm like, yaar, dur se hi achhi ho.
Yeah,
No?
fair enough. When did you have a star moment? Like somebody was starstruck when they saw you and you could see it happen?
It happens randomly, very suddenly, when somebody will be like, I've had people give me a lot of like, warm hugs after my performances. Believe it or not, I know Befikre just broke even. It wasn't a hit. It didn't make what, it was set out to be.
Correct.
But people gave me love, yeah, for that film also. I got love from people. Aaj bhi, anywhere I am in the world, not just India, I go and they'll be like, Nishit chad gayi girl, or like Befikre, we loved you, and Shaira. And the fact that they know my character name is a victory for me.
100%.
That happened also again after Chandigarh Kare Aashiki. I think people gave me so much love after that film because
Tricky part.
it was a very tricky part, and I think sometimes आपकी intention सही हो सकती है पर आप गलत जा सकते हो and you might offend somebody. And it was a community that I was representing which I know nothing of.
Correct.
So I take a lot of pride in that project. I do, and I feel it's one of the most. If it didn't do good numbers on at box office, I will always be proud of that film.
No, good job there.
Thank you.
100%.
Thank you.
Since we're driving down memory lane, एक टाइम पे आपके घर पे कौन-कौन पशु पक्षी थे?
Cows, buffaloes, horse, ducks, monkeys, rabbits, of course dogs and cats were there, turtle, anything and everything that one, rescued animals. हाँ, तो ये सब थे और birds भी थी अलग जो जिनको हम heal करके वो feather उगा के then one would be like चलो make them just let them like fly free.
इसलिए आप एनिमल राइट एक्टिविस्ट हो जोर की?
मैं एक्टिविस्ट नहीं हूँ but I do believe like
कॉजेस सपोर्ट करती तो हो?
I whatever little I can I do, but I think I feel like इंसान तो फिर भी बोल देता है उसको क्या तकलीफ है. जानवर कैसे बताएगा कि मुझे क्या तकलीफ है? And their love is more unconditional.
यार ये आपका मैं यार बनाना नहीं, मैं बड़ा देखता रहता हूँ ऐसी चलती में.
You do?
यार बढ़िया गाना है यार. वो उसमें actually the whole picturization and it is also another collaboration of Saregama that you've done, right?
Shiv Ravel, who is now directing Alpha,
Oh,
he directed it, and he was the chief AD on Befikre. And him and his brother, Bharat Ravel, they both...
Oh, the photographer?
Yeah. So they're brothers, huh? They both were there on set, and I just developed such a good bond with the two of them. Literally, I take them as family, and they're just wonderful people. And yeah, I mean, he wanted to make this music video, and I was very happy to be on board for him.
मस्त की रे आप, मस्त की. वो भी बहुत अच्छा लगा था मेरे को. I was like, oh, boom. And तभी वो सिंगल वाला जमाना जा सा रहा था म्यूजिक वीडियोस एंड I mean there's a different kind of music video era. And I'm not saying कि आप लोग को नहीं मालूम मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि I don't think आप लोग मालूम. हजारों 2000 से 2010-12 में जो कुत्ते की तरह म्यूजिक वीडियो बने ना, इतने म्यूजिक वीडियो बन रहे थे कि पूछो मत. मेरे ख्याल से शमशेरा का ना चलना भी तो हिट किया रहेगा.
Yeah, I've seen more failures than success.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं बोल रही हो.
No, but I'm not ashamed of it. It's failures that teach you more. You learn more from that. मैं क्या success को value करूँगी जब मुझे value ही नहीं पता होगी success की अगर मैंने failure ना देखो. I genuinely feel that failure can get to the best of the best minds. You could be, it can really get to you at your lowest. But how you pick yourself up, keep that self-assurance and that self-belief. You keep at it, you keep working hard, even when no one's clapping for you.
Yeah.
That's the real victory again. I feel you not giving up is a success story in itself.
हाँ भाई, persistence की जो इतनी बात होती है.
Yeah, यही है ना. और ये industry आपको patience, resilience, humility सब सिखाती है. आप गुरूर भी नहीं कर सकते हो क्योंकि आपको पता है अच्छा टाइम है तो सब सलाम ठोकेंगे. जब टाइम खराब होगा वही सेम लोग कहीं और चले जाएंगे. वो भीड़ कहीं और किसी और के घर खड़ी होगी.
सही बात है.
So I feel you can't take anything to heart. Failure, success, everything. I've also been lucky with big films. I don't know मैंने क्या किया होगा. मेरे या तो past life के कर्मा अच्छे होंगे that I've worked with really good people. I've worked with good
आप जनरली अच्छी आर्टिस्ट हो, गदर डांसर हो, बहुत अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस देती हो.
Thank you.
ये सब भी हो सकता है.
Thank you.
आप लोग बताएं. हम बस मतलब अंबल खेल रहे हैं.
अंबल खेल रहे हैं.
नहीं बट देखिए मेरे पास तो स्मार्ट सेंस लेवल 2 ADAS था जिसका हम ज्यादा यूज नहीं कर पाए क्योंकि हमारे पास दुनिया का ट्रैफिक मिला. आप बताओ आपको लगा कैसा? अरे यहीं जाना था क्या?
I think it's ये
हाँ पीछे वाला है.
मैंने बोला था बहुत खराब हो डायरेक्शन.
हाँ बट कैसा लगा आप बताओ.
बहुत अच्छा लगा. I think because I was so candid and I said everything as is. But thank you for giving me that comfort, and thank you for making this organic and real, and asking and being thoughtful about everything that we spoke about. Like you were very. I saw the thoughtfulness and kindness in you.
आप लोगों को कैसा लगा प्लीज एपिसोड में बताना। मेरा नाम है सिद्धार्थ आलम बैन, आई एम साइनिंग ऑफ ऑन द बॉम्बे जर्नी। इनकी और भी आ रही हैं कई सारे काम, मंडला मर्डर्स आएगा और भी 2 चीजें आएंगी। आप लोगों ने जाके परफॉर्मेंस टिप्स वाला सेगमेंट देखना है और आपकी परफॉर्मेंस टिप्स देनी है गाड़ी को लेके, क्योंकि हम अपने इंजन के परफॉर्मेंस के लिए काफी सारी चीजें करते हैं। आपको ये साइंड पिलो मिलेगा। Is that your check वाला sign also?
No.
चलिए।
Thank
आप लोगों को अपने बताने हैं। This is me, Siddharth Alaman, signing off.
It's a lot of
Bye-bye.
fun, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, yes. You're signing off.